Hi, I'm Andrea Metcalf with some kitchen tips and tricks. If you're looking to make a quick breakfast or even get your kids involved, here's a breakfast parfait that just has a few simple ingredients. First, you'll need a Greek-style yogurt. Now, sometimes this could be a little tart for children, so you may want to add in a little agave or honey before you let them start mixing. You'll need some fresh berries and some type of whole grain cereal that they like to crunch on. Have them first start with a little whole grains at the bottom of the dish. Next, spoon in some Greek-style yogurt and then a couple of berries. Go back to your grain cereal, a little more Greek yogurt, and top it off with a few more berries. This is a full berry parfait that the kids can make, and it tastes good too. I'm Andrea Metcalf. Be healthy and be moved.